This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar. Subject is Engineering Mathematics. Topic is secant method. Let us first talk about the secant method. So fx is a continuous function defined on the interval a to b such that f of a and f of b are of opposite signs. In this case, the root of fx equal to 0 lies between a and b. F of a and f of b should be of opposite signs. That means if f of a is positive, then f of b should be negative, or if f of b is positive, then f of a should be negative. Then in this case, if fx is a function defined on the closed interval ab, then fx equal to 0 has a root lying between a and b. For definiteness, we assume that f of a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. Let the first iteration be x1, and now for x1 we have this formula a times fb minus b times f of a whole divided by fb minus f of a. If f of x1 is 0, then x1 is the root of f of x. If f of x1 is greater than 0, then root will lie between a to x1. So replace b by x1 and get the next approximation x2. If f of x1 is less than 0, then the root will lie between x1 and b. In this case, replace a by x1 and get the next approximation x2. We repeat this procedure until a root is found to the desired accuracy. So if f of x1 is greater than 0, root will lie between a and x1. In this case, b will be replaced by x1 and we will get the next approximation. If f of x1 is less than 0, then root will lie between x1 and b, and in this case replace a by x1 and get the next approximation. We have to repeat this procedure till we get the root up to desired accuracy. Let's work out one problem. So using secant method, we want to find the root of the equation x cube minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0 at the end of third iteration. Using secant method, find the root of the equation x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 using 3 iterations. So f of x is x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now we want to decide the interval. So start with f of 0. F of 0 is 1 greater than 0. F of 1 is minus 1 less than 0. F of 2 is 3 greater than 0. So root will lie between 1 and 2, or it will lie between 0 and 1. We will choose the interval 1 to 2. So our f of x is now x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We want to apply secant method and we want three iterations. So our a is 1, b is 2, root is lying between a and b. As we have assumed that f of a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. Okay, so this way we decide the interval. Let's find out x1 by using a times fb minus b times f of a divided by fb minus f of a. So that is 1.25. Let's calculate f of x1. f of x1 is coming out to be minus 0.7969. So it is less than 0. So root will lie. So now a is 1, b is 2 and f of x1 is negative. So root will lie between x1 and d. So a is 1.25, b is 2, f of a is now minus 0.7969, f of b is 3. So let us calculate x2. x2 is minus 0.4345. And let us calculate x3. x3 is 1.4824. So this way we apply secant method. Thank you.